Custom to Venture welcomes you.
Once again, you're welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. And today I know you're going to learn something very new. And then here I want us to produce a simple bar soap. And then what is the first thing? Prepare your table. You can see gloves protect your hands too. You must protect your hand because of the caustic solution and all that. After cleaning it, here I have my caustic soda and the oil. And this is the caustic soda, usually in white color, and the oil I'll be using is the PKO oil, and you can use any oil of your choice. And then this is the water I'll be using also with the fragrance. That is the fragrance. So what do you see me do? I pour the caustic soda into the water and not the other way around. Then you keep mixing until it is transparent, like what you can see. You mix it until it's well diluted. And what is the next thing we're going to do? We're going to melt our oil. In case you have to use shea butter, in case you have to use solid oil, the oil ought to be solid, melted, okay? And even if it's not solid, you still have to heat it. Your oil must be medium warm before you use it. And then what do you see now? The caustic solution is being poured into the oil, and lo and behold, your soap is already forming. This is the core batter. This is the batter, and we have different traces. We have the medium trace, we have the solid trace. So your soap must always be in the medium trace, and that is what you can see now. Okay, you keep mixing until you have evenly distribution. That is, if it's well smooth, make sure it is well smooth before you leave it. And so what is the next thing you have to do? By the time you have gotten this batter, you can now pour your fragrance. Any fragrance of your choice will go a long way. Of course, I will drop the measurement for you. Okay, so this is it. You pour your fragrance, and lo and behold, you use the mode of your choice. This is the kind of mode, that I use is what came out like this.